Your filtration expert, so Jiffy, will support you in the maintenance of the filter elements. To carry out a quality professional service, we recommend you have the appropriate tools for the job. To begin replacing the oil element, the first step is to perform the drain. Open the drain plug and empty the oil before removing the filter. Have a warm engine to save time with the draining process. Protect the environment by using the suitable fluid collection equipment. To gain access to the oil filter, you must remove the air intake's case and its hose. Loosen the module's cover with the appropriate key. Remove the lid filter element assembly. Clean the cover with a clean cloth before reassembling the new filter. Locate and remove the cover seal. It is important to lubricate the seal with fresh oil before placing it into the new filter. Be careful not to use tools to change the seal, as this may damage the seal and cause leakage. Make sure the filter snaps on correctly. You should not have to use force to snap it on. Tighten the cover of the oil filter module according to the recommendations. It is important to change the drain plug seal. Screw and tighten the sump drain plug. Fill the engine block with the recommended oil. Only use additives compatible with the car manufacturer's recommendations. Verify the oil level gauge. Start the engine and check that there are no leaks around the filter or the drain plug. Don't forget to put the old filter in its dedicated disposal container. Trust your filtration expert and find all the information and the manuals on www.purflux.com.